Good morning and good afternoon to every people who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Cash App. Please try again later. So basically what this problem is caused by is I'm going to be telling you that thing in this video. So please stay with us in this video until the end, because if you leave the video in half and the problem is unsolved, then basically it's your fault for not watching the video until the end. So to avoid the confusion, watch the video until the end. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, because we post guide videos just like this in future as well. So let's get on with the video. First step, you gotta check if your internet connection is fast, because sometimes due to slow internet connection or inconsistent internet connection, by that I mean sometimes your net comes on, off just like that. If that's the case, then it could be the problem. And if your Wi-Fi is not working, just switch to data connection, because data connection is faster and it sometimes work. All right. And if it still says please try again later, then the other thing could be lack of updates. So you gotta update your Cash App from time to time, because if you don't update it, then it's gonna be like a lot of bug and a lot of problems are gonna be caused. And Cash App releases different types of update every single month in order to fix that bug. So you gotta update your Cash App. And the other thing could be if you're living in a country where Cash App is banned and you're trying to access Cash App. So if you're in a country where Cash App is banned, because Cash App is only available in limited country. According to me, I think it's only available in USA, Canada, and UK. So if you're outside those countries, then Cash App is not gonna work. The only way to access Cash App is to use a VPN and connect to USA, Canada, or UK, and then use Cash App. All right. So these are the way on how you guys can fix Cash App. Please try again later. And yeah, a little bonus tip. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling your Cash App should fix your problem. So try to do that as well. All right. So hope you guys understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.